If you're in the mood for a magical outdoors experience, here's a recipe. Start with abundant berries and remnant foliage of late fall. Poison ivy is a good bet, but more colorful are the berries of sumac, honeysuckle, wahoo, buckbrush, and hawthorn. Cedar is good, and there are others as well. Take an autumn hike or a slow drive to find the best places. Add birds. Species that stay through winter are seed eaters, and they concentrate on abundant food sources throughout their habitats. Find shrubs and trees with loads of small berries, and hungry birds will visit at mealtime. Many are brightly hued, adding to already colorful woodland vignettes. Be sure to bring a camera. Finally, add snow. Snowfall is one of nature's most beautiful events. A quiet snowfall, tied to cold temperatures, increases bird feeding response as more energy is needed to stay warm. And like most animals, birds seem to relish calm, snowy days. Season it all with a dash of patience. Waiting when conditions are right helps complete a storybook ending. A little luck never hurts either. And here's the magic. Find the magic for yourself. It's always waiting close by. I'm Mike Blair in the Kansas Outdoors.